Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallah khairan for joining in. Yesterday, we saw the negative effects that our actions can have on our environment. Today, we're gonna watch a video about one man who helped clean up his local beach. Inspired by his efforts, more volunteers and even celebrities joined the beach cleanups. As a result, the beach saw turtles coming back to hatch their eggs. All of this thanks to one man and his determination and care for the environment.
First 3 months were the most difficult one, Michael. As usual, when you start, nobody wants to help you. I'll give you some figures, you'll be shocked. 20 million cases of garbage, 2 beaches underway, 1 beach is already clean, second beach on. 100,000 people are being trained at this point of time. 60,000 students working with us on roster system. I still remember the date, March 22nd, 2018. At 6:30 I got a call from one of my volunteers saying that afterwards rush to the beach, rush to the beach. I ran and I was sitting on the beach crying, tears rolling down with 102 small turtle hatchling coming from the nest. And Mumbai experienced it, I'm told, after 25-30 years. That was something. So for us, it was a blessing from Mother Nature, from the ocean. Circular economy is to refuse garbage. Don't create garbage. Please, as a person, I should minimize my garbage for creation. It will not go to the landfill or ocean. Every polluter must become a protector. We have to coexist and we have to take some practical, doable steps every week. It's not very hard. It's just not hard.
Let's all do our part, however small it may be, in looking after our environment. Inshallah, see you tomorrow.